Imagine a four-way intersection. An ambulance with flashing red and blue emergency lights is approaching from the east and intends to go straight ahead. However, there is a yield sign in front of the ambulance lane. Approaching from the north is a blue sedan. It has no stop or yield signs and intends to drive straight through the intersection. Approaching from the south is a black SUV. It also has no stop or yield signs, but its left turn signal is flashing, indicating it wants to turn left across the intersection. So, here's the question. According to traffic rules, in what order should these vehicles pass through the intersection? Here are your four options. A. Ambulance, then blue sedan, then black SUV. B. Blue sedan, then black SUV, then ambulance. C. Black SUV, then blue sedan, then ambulance. D. Ambulance, then black SUV, then blue sedan. You have 10 seconds to lock in your answer. Ready? Let's break it down. First, the ambulance. Under standard U.S. traffic laws, active emergency vehicles with flashing lights and sirens have special right-of-way privileges. Even though the ambulance is facing a yield sign, this active emergency status supersedes standard traffic control devices. All civilian traffic must yield until the emergency vehicle safely clears the intersection. Next is the blue sedan. With the ambulance gone, we have the blue sedan going straight and the black SUV turning left. The rule is simple. A vehicle turning left must yield to oncoming traffic going straight. Therefore, the blue sedan has the right-of-way. Finally, the black SUV completes its left turn once the path is clear. Now, let's quickly look at why the other sequences are incorrect. Option D lets the ambulance go first, but it incorrectly gives the turning black SUV priority over the straight-moving blue sedan. Option C is incorrect for two reasons. It ignores the ambulance's emergency status, and it allows a left-turning vehicle to cut off oncoming traffic going straight. Option B is incorrect because it forces an active emergency vehicle to wait for civilian traffic, which goes against emergency response protocols. So, the correct sequence is option A. Did you get it right? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more driving tests and traffic rule breakdowns. Drive safely and see you next time.